Alright, hello. Bro, where is my thing? Alright, hello guys. Today we're playing Animal Company instead of Gorilla Tag. Well, yeah. This this, this is my
Yo,
friend here, Link.
what's up?
Yeah, this
What's
is my
up,
friend
guys?
here. And today we are just going to be exploring Animal Company because I haven't played in a while. Neither has he. Plus, there's apparently like
Last,
a new fishing update, which actually sounds pretty cool. So, that's probably what we're going to do. Alright, let's go. Bro, for some reason this like works as like a little thing. Alright, we gotta figure out how to fish. Because I'm kind of curious. Lake,
you might have to like unlock a
of course. I think we have to go to the lake.
huh? I think there's fish. now.
Oh my! Come to the lake.
I haven't been here.
I just found a little some. What is
What?
this?
Oh
This is-
yeah, this is how you get like really down deep underground. This is like one of the last things I've explored. Also, you
camera
can
is
touch the
actually making-
water,
oh.
by the way.
Ouch! This camera's actually making it so much easier to move. I also haven't played Animal Company in a really long time.
Me neither.
Oh, so it's a little bit weird how oh fuck, I fell. I'm falling. This how would you make the cameras like a little weird? I wish they did it like the Gorilla Tag where you just press record, not go to like your oh fuck. Oh my god. Where you like go to your phone and press record video and just blah 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 blah. Anyways, let's go. Bro, I'm about to fall. And I almost just fell again. Clutch. This is so hard to like get up. Okay.
Yeah.
Did you know VR Gamer's making his own game?
Yeah, I've known that.
Oh, flip. I forgot about that. I forgot that you're in the dev team. Or not in the dev team, like the group chat too. How
Well,
about that? Whoopsies.
I don't.
Oh, flip. Bro,
I don't
think I
play his game anymore.
I mean, I played it once, but that's because, like, he hasn't fully made the game yet.
Like, I'll play it whenever it fully releases, and I'll be happy.
Oh, so apparently I'm gonna become a moderator in that game. Oh my god, bro. I'm about to fall.
Well, I haven't played it
Dude,
in a while, so I'm probably
out.
not gonna be part of the dev
Camera mod
team.
is actually making this harder. Wait, slow and
Just
steady
get
wins the
right
race.
up here. Just get right up here and just.
Okay. I think I found where we're supposed to go.
Yo, wait. What about your camera?
It's on my it's on my wrist. I can grab it whenever I want.
Oh, but yeah, guys. By the way, the game's called Brawl.
Yeah,
You
it's a little
can
bit of-
download it on itch.
Yeah, I already got it. I don't think we're supposed to be up here.
Dude, down here.
Oh yeah, makes sense.
Entrance.
Yeah, that makes sense.
And then they got rid of the flashlight.
Yeah, I remember I have my flashlight backpack on.
Just know that you can die down here.
You can die everywhere in Animal Company. Oh my gosh, it's like a slide.
Ah, there you are.
It's like a slide. Whoa.
Now, since this is like one of the only...
I don't like this.
He's around the corner. Just don't stare at him. Don't aggravate him. Just stare at me.
Where are you?
I'm right here. Look at your map. Find you. Over here.
Oh my god, I'm blind.
You use your joystick to change the map.
It's a little ski.
Come on, we must stay on course.
Bro,
Where?
it's a little skateboard.
Ooh, put that in your backpack. That's value.
Skateboard.
Okay, so he's down here. Don't look at him.
Where is he?
He's behind us.
I'm kinda scared.
Just back up slowly.
Go.
Don't stare at him, bro. If he becomes too red, then he'll kill us. Do you have a gun in that backpack?
No, I didn't come prepared. I didn't know. Oh, that was dumb. Should we go back and get weapons?
No, because we're stuck. You're probably gonna lose your flashlight backpack as well.
It's a DIY made flashlight backpack. I can make it again.
Don't turn around.
Should you go this way?
Yep. Let's go.
Hombre.
There's one over here as well.
It's so dusty. No, we're cave divers, bro. We're cave diving.
Don't back up. Run.
Where are you?
I swear I might know where I'm going. Keyword might.
I think we went the wrong way.
We probably did. Let's go this way. Crap.
Back up. This way, this way.
Okay, we made it. We made it. Don't touch the red pipes. Don't. Wait, do you have your camera on you?
Yeah, I have it.
Alright, pull it out.
It's gonna possibly up here.
This is
It
still.
does have collision, so I can have it a little bit longer.
Okay. So normally I would do this with like a teleporter, but I don't have those anymore. So. Over here.
Ooh.
Come on, man, save yourself. Alright, let's go.
The camera
Jump.
glitched.
What the? Oh.
Oh, finally, we got a weapon.
Put that in your backpack. It's fine. Some over here.
Hold on. Alright, got it. I also want to get a weapon here, man. This is scary.
Almost down this hall. Yo, go the other way. I heard something. I heard something.
Yo, I think we can run past him. Never mind, just run. Just run. Oh, bro, I'm gonna take that. 2 umbrellas
Yo,
here.
run, bro.
Ow, get your ass. Oh my god, Mimic. Oh, what did I do? I think I found it. Where are you? Where are you? I think I found where we leave. No, where are you?
There you go. There's a crossbow.
Yeah, I can make my umbrella in here. I now have a weapon.
Let's go.
Oh, you killed him? Gold blood, dang.
I remember when umbrellas were first added.
Same, bro. Remember when you showed me the game?
Yeah.
Memories. That was like a year or two ago. Should I
Yeah, but then they
should I
then they
undo
just
my umbrella?
ruined the game. Then they just ruined the game, in my opinion.
Sure, I'm gonna get rid of this crossbow. I don't think I will need it.
Now listen, whenever we get into this area, don't touch the water down. Just follow me.
Oh my god. Are we in a whale?
And we have to be extremely silent. Okay? Now you can use. Oh wait. You could probably use your umbrella to make noise, or not make noise. You see? Look. Just don't touch the water with your hand. And just follow me. Just follow me. Trust me, I know the way.
You know the way?
Pretty sure I do.
What is this? Oh, it's just tape.
Up here we're gonna have to. Found something. Come on. Here, put this in your backpack. It might be valuable. Cause like whenever you pick it up, it glows. Oh. Well, you might be full. Let's continue.
No, just you can't put stuff in my bag. Oh.
Alright, now if you see a blue area, we gotta go that way. Now I'm just gonna. That's what I'm talking about. Back there, we need to go back there.
I don't know if I can make it jump.
You got this, man. That way. Now, you're probably gonna need to empty out your backpack. Just go. You can touch it.
I just grabbed it.
Don't touch it. Just don't touch the tentacles up here.
Oh no. Oh no, this is so cooked. Well, I think it's over.
Yo, you won't die though. See, look, I'm down here as well.
Okay, we'll do this for you. Where are you? Bro, this is actually... Only, of course. I heard mine. Okay, where do we go from here? Oh, I'm scared. I'm kind of scared.
Alright, so let's...
Is this purple stuff an instant death?
Ow!
Where?
I don't know. Yo,
I think
hold
I
up.
see it. Oh,
Yo, bro, I gotta get off.
I grabbed something. I'm spazzing out. I don't think I'm supposed to grab that. Okay. You're good. Oh my god, I'm scared. Yeah, nope. Nope.